Hi and welcome. So this is my horseshoe design. I will get into why I designed it in a horseshoe in just a moment. So look at these rocks. I am full of rocks. I can't dig in this ground and I need to plant so many aronia trees. So I did the raised bed coffee bag system. I have a link to the video in the back that shows you how I actually did this, okay? So I'm using coffee bags and wood chips. So wood chips is a really important process in this development because it needs to act as a water retainer. It needs to keep the moisture into the plants because it is above ground, and on hot days, the moisture evaporates. So by having the wood chips, it's going to keep the moisture trapped inside. It also acts as a frost barrier in the wintertime. I'm zone 5, so we do get snow here, lots of snow. This year wasn't so bad though, but anyways, we do get snow. So it's going to help protect the root system from any winter damage. Now, the walkway in between there that you see I'm walking, that will also fill with some snow. It's going to act as a barrier for like a snowdrift. So it's going to capture the snow, and that's going to help insulate the plants. And in the spring, as it melts, it's going to keep that snow there. Hello! It's going to keep that snow there, and it's going to melt and go down into the root system and keep the wood chips very, very moist. So that's a benefit. If you can, look at your land. Study your land. Does your land have any angles? And this is why I'm using the horseshoe shape. I am going to catch the rainfall. I'm going to maintain with the winter snow to hold in these areas so that this way here I can water my plants. I don't have irrigation. I don't even have water at this land. I have to carry big containers of water when I do need to water. So I needed to find a solution, and this is my solution, is the horseshoe shape. Look at the land. As you look at land, you will see angles and developments. I put in some arrows here in just a minute. And you will see where the orange arrow is where it's stopping. So where the orange arrow is, see, look, if you look here, you're going straight, you're going to see that the water would flow down the hill. And I put orange arrows to show you where it would stop the water, okay? And as I'm going around, you're going to see there's another flow down the hill this way, and the horseshoe does the same. At the end of my video, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and join me on my journey. I would love to have you join me and send me some messages or ideals. I would love that also. So take care and see you next time. Bye.